डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। हमें आज मिलना था। वी हैड टू मीट टुडे। वी हैड टू मीट टुडे। मुझे उससे बात करनी है। आई हैव टू टॉक टू हिम। आई हैव टू टॉक टू हिम। उसे आना पड़ेगा। ही विल हैव टू कम। ही विल हैव टू कम। तुम मेरे घर आ सकते थे पर तुम नहीं आए। You could have come my home, but you did not. You could have come my home, but you did not. उसे किसी भी हालत में वहां जाना चाहिए। He must go there at any cost. He must go there at any cost. तुम उसके घर क्यों जाते थे? Why did you use to go his home? Why did you use to go his home? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहोगे? Would you like to meet me? Would you like to meet me? शायद वो आज आए। He might come today. He might come today. क्या उसे जाना है? Has he to go? Has he to go? उसने कहा था कि वो स्कूल नहीं आएगा। He had said that he would not come to school. He had said that he would not come to school. मैं पक्का जाऊंगी वहां। I will definitely go there. I will definitely go there. वो खेलना नहीं चाहता। He does not want to play. He does not want to play. अगर मैं आई तो तुमसे मिलूंगी। If I come, I will meet you. If I come, I will meet you. शायद बारिश हो रही हो। It might be raining. It might be raining. शायद वो आएगी। She might come. She might come. वो यहाँ क्यों आता था? Why did he use to come here? Why did he use to come here? उसको सोचना चाहिए था। He should have thought. He should have thought. क्या पता बस निकल गई हो? Bus might have left. Bus might have left. मैं तुमसे मिलने कभी नहीं आ सकती। I can never come to meet you. I can never come to meet you. क्या तुम कभी वहां जा पाए? Could you ever go there? Could you ever go there? शायद कभी नहीं। Never I think. Never I think. क्या तुम मेरे लिए रुक नहीं सकते? Can't you wait for me? Can't you wait for me? क्या तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए? Don't you need anything? Don't you need anything? तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए। Should I go there? Should I go there? क्या वो पा सका जो वो चाहता था? Could he achieve what he wanted? Could he achieve what he wanted? वो तुम्हारे साथ डांस नहीं करना चाहेगी। She would not like to dance with you. She would not like to dance with you. तुम्हें उसकी हालत के बारे में सोचना चाहिए था। You should have thought about his condition. You should have thought about his condition. क्या उसे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है? Does he need your help? Does he need your help? क्या वो तुम्हारे घर आता था? Did he used to come to your home? Did he used to come to your home? वो इस वक्त पढ़ रही होगी। She must be studying at this point of time. She must be studying at this point of time. शायद वो आ रहा हो। He might be coming. He might be coming. उन्हें इस तरह के मौसम की आदत हो गई है। They are used to such a climate. They are used to such a climate. क्या उसे जाना है? Has he to go? हैज़ ही टू गो? मैंने तुम्हें बताया था कि मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊंगी। आई हैड टोल्ड यू दैट आई वुड नॉट गो देयर। आई हैड टोल्ड यू दैट आई वुड नॉट गो देयर। उसे अपनी कार की अब आदत हो गई है। ही इज यूज्ड टू हिज कार नाउ। ही इज यूज्ड टू हिज कार नाउ। हमें अपनों से बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए। वी ought to respect whoever is older than we. We ought to respect whoever is older than we. मैं पढ़ने की बजाय टीवी देख रही थी। I was watching TV rather than studying. I was watching TV rather than studying. वो अब तक निकल गए होंगे। They should have left by now. They should have left by now. वहाँ अच्छा मौसम होना चाहिए। There should be good weather. There should be good weather. मैं पहले से ही जानती थी कि वो जीतेगी। I already knew that she would win. I already knew that she would win. क्या तुम उस लड़के से मिल सकते हो? Can you meet that guy? Can you meet that guy? वहाँ कोई भी हो सकता है। There can be anybody. There can be anybody. मैं तुम्हें नहीं बल्कि तुम्हारी बहन को प्यार करता हूँ। I don't love you, rather I love your sister. I don't love you, rather I love your sister. मुझे अंत तक लड़ना पड़ा। I had to fight till the end. I had to fight till the end. क्या आप मेरे लिए थोड़ा समय निकाल सकते हो? Could you please spare some time for me? Could you please spare some time for me? ये लड़की उससे अक्सर मिलती थी। This girl used to meet him quite often. This girl used to meet him quite often. क्या वो यहाँ आ पाएगा? Will he be able to come here? Will he be able to come here? कल पक्का ओले पड़ेंगे। It must hail tomorrow. It must hail tomorrow. वो मुझसे मिलना नहीं चाहते थे। They did not want to meet me. They did not want to meet me. क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? Shall I go? Shall I go? मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मेरी मम्मी काम करे। I wanted my mom not to work. I wanted my mom not to work. मुझे उसकी गालियों की आदत पड़ गई थी। I was used to his abuses. I was used to his abuses. उसे पक्का चले जाना चाहिए। She must leave. She must leave. अगर वो मुझसे मिला तो मैं उसे तुम्हारे बारे में बताऊंगी। If he meets me, I will tell him about you. If he meets me, I will tell him about you. अगर तुम्हें सच्चाई का पता होता तो तुम मुझे बता चुके होते। Had you know the truth, you would have told me. Had you know the truth, you would have told me. शायद वे चले गए होंगे। They might have left. They might have left. वो तुम्हारे बजाय मुझे ज्यादा मानता है। He prefers me over you. He prefers me over you. यह एक अफवाह भी हो सकती है। It might be a rumor. It might be a rumor. क्या मैं अब आ सकती हूँ? May I come now? May I come now? राम और श्याम अच्छे दोस्त हैं। राम and श्याम are good friends. राम and श्याम are good friends. आप ये या वो किताब ले सकते हैं। You may take this book or that book. You may take this book or that book. वो बहुत समझदार है लेकिन वो गरीब है। He is very intelligent but he is poor. He is very intelligent but he is poor. मैं तुम्हारे घर के सिवाय कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ. I can go anywhere except your home. I can go anywhere except your home. ये पेन नहीं बल्कि पेंसिल है. This is not a pen but a pencil. This is not a pen but a pencil. वो चिकन के अलावा कुछ भी खा सकता है. He can eat anything except chicken. He can eat anything except chicken. वो बेवकूफ नहीं बल्कि एक समझदार लड़का है. He is not a fool but a wise guy. He is not a fool but a wise guy. उसे डांटा नहीं गया बल्कि पीटा गया. He was not scolded but beaten. He was not scolded but beaten. क्या तुम भी वहां नहीं थे? Were you not there either? Were you not there either? मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. I am good too. I am good too. मैं भी फल पसंद नहीं करती. I don't like fruits either. I don't like fruits either. तुम मेरे जितने चालाक नहीं हो. You are not as clever as I. You are not as clever as I. राम उसके जितना पागल नहीं है. Ram is not as mad as he is. Ram is not as mad as he is. क्या तुम मेरे जितना अच्छा गा सकते हो? Can you sing as good as I can? Can you sing as good as I can? क्या तुम मेरी उम्र के हो? Are you my age? Are you my age? जैसा आप कहें. As you say. As you say. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. जैसा आपने कहा मैंने किया. I did as you said. I did as you said. जैसे ही वो आई मैं चली गई. As soon as she came, I left. As soon as she came, I left. आप इस सेंटेंस को ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. The moment she came, I left. The moment she came, I left. मेरे घर आ जाना जैसे ही पापा आ जाएं. Come to my home as soon as dad comes. Come to my home as soon as dad comes. आप इस सेंटेंस को ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. Come to my home the moment dad comes. Come to my home the moment dad comes. जितना जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ. Leave as soon as possible. Leave as soon as possible. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. As far as I know, he is married. As far as I know, he is married. जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ उसके 2 बच्चे हैं. As far as I know, he has 2 children. As far as I know, he has 2 children. ऐसे लोग स्वार्थी होते हैं. Such people are selfish. Such people are selfish. ऐसे बच्चे मुझे पसंद नहीं. I don't like such children. I don't like such children. ऐसी कई कहानियाँ मैं सुन चुकी हूँ. I have heard many such stories. I have heard many such stories. तुम ऐसे बात करते हो मानो तुम्हें सब पता हो. You talk in such a way as if you know everything. You talk in such a way as if you know everything. तुम ऐसे बात कर रहे हो जैसे मैं तुम्हारी दुश्मन हूँ. You are talking in such a way as if I am your enemy. You are talking in such a way as if I am your enemy. या तो तुम जाओ या मुझे जाने दो. Either you go or let me go. Either you go or let me go. या तो वो जाएगा या फिर मैं जाऊंगी. Either he will go or I will. Either he will go और I will. मैं या तो दिल्ली जाऊंगी या मुंबई. I will either go Delhi और मुंबई. I will either go Delhi और मुंबई. या तो तुम गलत हो या वो. Either you or he is wrong. Either you or he is wrong. ना तुम जाओ ना मुझे जाने दो. Neither you go nor let me go. Neither you go nor let me go. ना तुम गलत हो ना वो. Neither you nor he is wrong. Neither you nor he is wrong. तुम नहीं आते. You don't come. You don't come. वो भी नहीं आता. Neither does he. Neither does he. मैंने नहीं पूछा ना उसने पूछा. I did not ask nor did she. I did not ask nor did she.